Shoshana here with Calista. She's a first-time chiropractic patient. She was recommended by Dr. Gregory Johnson in Houston, Texas. So thank you, Dr. Johnson, if you're watching this. She was interested in getting into ring dinger. What we did is we evaluated her posture, and we found that she's having a lot of pain in her right shoulder. So if we could see this on camera, I don't know if we could see this, just look straight ahead. We see the shoulder higher on one side. So she's been to rheumatologists, they've been giving her medication, physical therapy, none of that's been helping. So we evaluated her, found out she has subluxations in her lower spine, her neck and mid-back. So we're gonna go ahead and do the ring dinger first. So you ready to get adjusted? You ready? Okay, so you're gonna be sitting right here. Come over here, sit right here. So we'll just take you through the whole process. Okay, I'm gonna lower you. And then you'll be laying on your back. Your head goes here. So, and it's fold up overboard. Okay, good. Lay down. Okay, good. And then come down this way. A little bit more. Okay, good. Okay, good. And you want to talk her through it so you can explain to her what's going to happen. So your hand's going to go right here. So this is a really big adjustment. What we're going to do is completely unload all of the, come down a little bit, all of the tension in the lower spine and her neck. And the reason I wanted to document this is it's going to be a really big adjustment. Okay, good. Okay, gonna put the pelvic block in. Right. Take a breath in, breathe in. Tight, yes? This is okay? Okay, good. So bend your knees. Okay. So really explain to her that I'm going to have her keep her teeth together, breathe through her nose.
Respire de su nariz y mantenga sus dientes juntos. No saque una lengua, nada de eso, así, solamente que tenga sus dientes juntos.
Okay. Just relax, please. Relax. Good. Okay, right here. Sorry, make it a little tighter. Okay, good. So just relax, breathe in. Good, breathe in. Ooh, this is gonna be a big one. Just relax, relax. Wiggle her left toe.
Oh!
Okay, good. Breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, good. Breathe, relax. Good, good. Relax. I told you, this is a big adjustment. Drop this. Relax your head down. Air out, relax. Drop it. Good. Relax. Breathe in. And relax his head down. Wiggle, wiggle. Good. Stay right there. Good. All right. I'm going to lower this. And stay right there. You okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. Still kicking. Stay right there. So that's the first adjustment we do with new patients to really unload the disc, unload the nerve. Okay. Sit up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. I'm going to lower this table for you. But not yet. Let me lower it for you. Okay, come on up. Stand up. How you feeling after this? Different? Okay, let's go do the rest. Okay, so we'll do the rest of your spine. So lay face down, boca abajo. Or boca abajo? Boca abajo. Okay, in my Spanish. Okay, drop those arms down. So we're going to do the full spine adjustment and shoulder as well. So like I said, we found subluxations in her lower pelvis. And just so I could document what we have, try lifting this leg as high as you can. You like that? And now do the other one. Put this down, do the other one. So really heavy on this side. So put it down. So I'm going to do the drop technique for her. Okay. Okay? Good. We don't play around here. Good. Stay right there, okay? Okay. Let's see, lift that right leg up. Let me see you lift it up, this one. Lift it up. A little bit easier. Put it down. Good. This is gonna be a big one. Take a breath in. Stretch, stretch, drop this head down. Good. Wow. That's years and years of tension. Breathe in. And let you get all the way out, down. Good. That's good. That's a good one. Okay, flip over. Lay on your back. Boca arriba. Okay. So stay right there. Let's take a look at this. Good. She's also complaining of foot problems, so I'm going to get this. Relax this here. Good. Good. Let's switch sides here. And this relaxes me. Relax. Good. Good. Take your hands like this. Okay. 2, 3. Let's do a drop technique. Okay? Okay, good. Let me help you up. Sit up. 1, 2, 3. And then swing your body around that way. Okay, now we're going to get our shoulder. Okay. So you might be a little sore from this adjustment. We're doing the whole spine. Relax the shoulder for me. Relax it. Good. Right in here. Relax this. Good. Breathe in. And let your air out. Good. Got that little release there, yes? Down. Good. Relax. Relax your shoulder. Good. Stay right there. You see this elbow? Hold this up a little bit. Good. Good. Stand up. Let's take a look at your posture now. Come on over here. Just stand up straight. Okay, look at that shoulder now. What's better? What's different?
I feel it more better.
You feel a little bit better?
Yes.
Shoulders a little bit more level. Bring your head back into extension. Okay, stay right there. I got one thing to do with you. Okay, so it took her a little bit while to get this way. It's going to take you some time to unget this way. So this will seal in the adjustment. This is a neuromechanical alignment. Good. Perfect. Bend forward, touch your toes, bend. Try to touch your toes. Good. And sit up straight, stand up straight. Okay, good. Okay, good. Have a seat right here and tell me here, what's different from when you walked in? It's going to take some time. You feel a little bit better that you walked in. Okay, good. So what we're going to do, this is our first adjustment. We're going to have a rest for a day, follow back on Thursday, and we should have full range of motion and feeling better within a few visits. Okay? Cool. Okay. So what I'm doing here is I'm using the Graston technique. This is a form of instrument-assisted soft tissue mobilization. And what I'm going to be working is working this whole area, breaking up all these adhesions. So tell me if this is too much, okay? This helps to bring blood to the area. It helps to break up the adhesions or fascial restrictions that occur in this area. So just by breaking this up right in here, do you feel this? Okay, good. Right here. Take this arm and bring it over just like this. Good, put your head down. Good. Get right into that rhomboid. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but we're getting a little bit of redness, and we're not going to go to, we're going to bruise her. We're just going to go and break up all these adhesions right there. Drop the shoulder down. Good. Cool. Well, boy. Okay, relax. Now tell me, stand up. Relax this. Stand up. How's that feeling now? Any different?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Cool. You know,